boys already got a fish this morning. Look at it go.
I feel a jack.
Is that what it is? It's a jack.
It's pretty heavy.
Okay. Just stop reeling for just a second.
Yeah, that's a jack.
All right. Just back up a little bit and I'll get him. Okay. Oh, we're gonna keep him for shark bait, okay?
It's a nice one.
All right.
That's that big bait.
There he comes. Oh, that's a little one, ain't it?
Yeah, he's fighting hard.
Oh, there he is. Little black tip, huh?
A little bigger this time.
Look for your rod. Oh, tiny little fella. Holy moly, look at that little guy. Whoa, little line. Just a little. Yep, just nice and easy. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. What we got? Oh, there's a fun looking shark. Pull him up here a little bit so I can get a picture of it.
Sharp nose. Don't cut your hand. Oh, it's a lot funnier with this. That's a little bigger one, Pop.
Yeah. There he goes.
No, it's the same size.
Oh, look at the other one. Did you see that?
Yeah.
He was going to jump in the bowl with you.
Yeah.
Here. There you go. You just back up a little bit. I'll grab and pull. There he is. Beautiful black tip. Beautiful, huh?
That's number 5.
Straight down. There you go.
It's a little bigger one, Pop.
All right. Just acted like it, didn't he?
Oh, yeah, that's a big one. Oh, that's very big.
All right, hold on to your pole. Okay, you're doing good. The big one. Go ahead and follow your pole, boy. Just take your time. All you got is time now. That's okay. Just follow it around the pole. There you go. Come on, boy.
Yeah, that's a big one, Pop.
Yeah, you got a big one there.
Might be a hammer.
Yep.
Ooh.
All right, I gotta get him off. Okay, boy, what'd you get there? Lemon?
Lemon shark.
Look at the size of this guy. He's gotta be 7 foot or better. Are you tired, boy?
Ooh, yeah.
Good one. Last one for today.
Please be a cobia.
Okay, good. Follow your pole. Don't shoot my boat. Okay, stop for just a second. Okay? Yeah, that's all right. Be careful. There you go. There you go. Good work. Keep following the pole. Good work. Good work. You know we had to catch shark. Papa just put his gloves away.
It's a little bigger one. This is what, our 14th?
Oh, hey, gotta be something like that, huh?
What a day.
That's a pretty good size one on that small pole.
was hoping that was a cobia.
Me
But
too. I was wondering what that sound was, huh?
then I
Let's bring one
remember.
up. You get a picture of him? Well, that's a pretty good size one with that kind of pole. He's not done yet.
I bet you the other one's gonna start going.
Yeah. There we go. That's a black tip. He's not done, is he?